Hi, this is Miss Garner and I'm doing the video over our integers unit, our tip page. Tip stands for T is term, I information, P is picture. Go ahead and set up your page. Next thing you'll need to do is to draw lines separating each letter and then write down your terms, absolute value, integer, negative integer, positive integer, opposites, and rational number. You don't have to use a ruler to draw your lines, you can just freehand it, but just make sure that your terms get separated. Okay, pause the video if you need time to write, which you should. Okay, next will be information. So I need you to write the definition for each term. Absolute value. The distance between a number and 0 on a number line. An integer is any number including 0. A negative integer is a number less than 0. Positive integer, a number greater than 0. Opposites are two numbers that are the same distance from 0, but on opposite sides of 0. And a rational number is a number that can be written as a fraction. Pause the video to write down the information. Okay, last what you'll need to do is draw your picture for each term. So for absolute value, I put the absolute value of 5 is 5. I drew a number line that shows that from 0 to 5 is 5 hops, which is the distance. Next, for integer, an integer is any number including 0. So I wrote 1, 2, 3, ... meaning that the possibilities are endless on listing integers. Next, a negative integer. I drew a picture of sea level. Got an ocean and land, and then below sea level, that would be a negative integer. Meaning that if there was a city that was, say, 5 meters below sea level, then that means it would say negative 5m for negative 5 meters. Also, when you think about checking accounts or even your lunch account, it can be negative 20 cents. That's a negative integer. Positive integer, a number greater than 0. That's like above sea level. Meaning like if Denver is 1,000 meters above sea level, that positive integer is positive 1,000. Your bank account can be positive $20, meaning there's $20 in your bank account. Or even when you're talking about football, a gain of 5 yards on a play could be a positive integer of positive 5. Opposites. Negative 2 and 2 are opposites. They're the same distance from 0 and on opposite sides of 0. Opposite 2 and negative 2. Last one, a number that can be written as a fraction is a rational number. I drew a picture of, let's just call it a pie, split into 4 pieces, and 1 piece is gone. So the fraction representing the number of pieces eaten is 1/4 of the pie. Make sure that you have everything copied on your tip page. This will be your homework grade, and be ready to discuss other examples of integers, positive and negative, whenever you get to class. You're more than welcome to Google and research on the internet different types of examples, and you can draw that as your examples instead of what I have. But if you like the examples that I use, you can just use those. Okay, thanks. Bye.